Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a simple, yet often overlooked feature on Facebook: how to view sent friend requests. Whether you're trying to keep track of who you've reached out to, or just want to manage your social connections more efficiently, this guide is for you. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface with various icons and menus. To begin, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu section, where you can access a variety of Facebook features. Next, scroll down and select Friends. This will take you to the Friends section, where you can see all your current friends and any pending friend requests. However, to view the requests you've sent, you need to tap See All at the top of the screen. This will expand the list of friend requests, but it still won't show you the ones you've sent. To see those, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, select View Sent Requests. This is where you'll find a list of all the friend requests you've sent that are still pending. Now, you can see exactly who you've reached out to and whether they've accepted your request yet. If you change your mind about a particular request, you can even cancel it by tapping the Cancel button next to the person's name. Managing your social connections on Facebook doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, you can keep track of all your sent friend requests and ensure your online relationships are exactly how you want them to be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.